What's up, guys? This is my new car. Alright guys, well, this is my 2020 Mustang GT Premium. Just gonna do a little car tour and show you guys around the car, the features, everything I love about it, everything I hate about it. Let's get right into it. Alright, so for the inside, we have the nice premium interior, black leather seats, black leather interior. Got the nice dashboard with the Apple CarPlay. Pretty sleek, pretty clean. With the non-premium interior, it actually has a really horrible dashboard. I'll throw up a photo right now. Yeah, that just looks like complete garbage. So I didn't want complete garbage, so I got the next best thing, not complete garbage. This is the horn. It seems to work pretty well, so that's cool. Yeah, there's a ton of room in the back, obviously. As you can imagine, there's like so much leg room for passengers. You can just totally fit them in right there. 4 people back there probably. That's pretty much it for the interior. Ignition switch, let's give it a little start. Little interior sound. Turn off the music so I don't get a strike. One safety feature that's pretty cool is it won't let you drive and play music without putting on your seatbelt. So honestly, from a safety perspective, that's actually pretty nice. Just gonna give it a little interior rev. Oh yeah, well, that's gonna change soon. I'm gonna be getting an exhaust system and the whole 9 on this car.
He thought he needed no helping hands, but he needs help.
Yeah, I need All right, ready?
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Thanks. All right, so come around back here. We got the trunk. Plenty of room for activities. My old license plate, which will be, of course, going on this one. What?
Is there a lighter already in your car? It's back seat.
A lighter? Oh. Oh. That wasn't mine, but I do see a lighter. That's interesting. Anyways, yeah, trunk room, I don't know. I previously had a Kia Optima, which is still on the channel, I believe, from way back when. But also, before this car, I had an EcoBoost Mustang. I'll throw up a photo of that one. But, you know, people kept roasting me that it wasn't a V8. So basically, what I did was I destroyed it, as seen here. And then I got this car a year later to replace that car. I'm just kidding, that's not a true story, but sort of. I can tell that story later if anyone requests to hear it. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, anyways, let's take a look under the hood now, and yeah. All right, so for under the hood, got my shadow in the way. Obviously, we got the big 5-liter V8 powered by Ford. Let's go. Put the hurt.
The plate cover is bigger than the motor itself. Like that plastic piece?
Yeah, that plastic piece.
This is massive.
It's like bigger than my head, which not many things are. All in all, I feel like I got the car for a pretty good price, considering the price point of these right now for the premium package and all. But yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the white. A bunch of girls keep calling it cute. It keeps making me cry. Obviously, I'm not a huge fan of the wheels, but that's gonna change. I'm gonna paint the calipers. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I am super in love with the car. I can't wait to see what I do to it. That doesn't even make sense. Can't wait to see the transformation. If you guys wanna follow along, it's gonna be quite the process. And obviously, I'm up for any suggestion that anyone wants to see. I already have some ideas in my head. Please consider leaving a like. Please consider subscribing. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see, possibly. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you guys like Audis, please consider subscribing to this guy. His link will be in the description. This guy, thank you for being here for the ride. Look at that majestic hair. His Instagram will be in the bio. All right, that's it. Goodbye. Nick, what do we have there?
Don't you hate when you come home from work and you just have a long and soft noodle?